sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems
we are entering our accommodation here in Batanes, Villa de Babat, our home away from home.
So walang choice mag-prepare dito.
Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here.
This is our room here in Villa de Babat in Basco, Batanes. And may 4 beds, 2 single beds and 1 double bed with a television. And I think pwede rin mag-cook. Yan, pwede mag-cook pala dito. Wardrobe. Very spacious. Toilet and bath. Very clean. Malinis. Maganda tong room namin. Good for family. Tapos may desk. Working desk. And merong balcony. Yan. So, masarap dito mag-coffee. With a view of the swimming pool. So, very cozy dito sa Villa de Babat. This is a family-owned business na very accommodating and very warm. So, when in Basco, Batanes, you get to stay here at Villa de Babat with this beautiful accommodation.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Welcome to Villa de Babat's restaurant. Inside their restaurant or dining area, they have a nook here. Look, na may mga native na staff. Mababang chair. Siguro ganito ang chair. Itong sandals na ginagamit sa dagat. Ito naman yung ginagamit sa mga lalaki. Yan, ganito yan eh. Ay, si Eugene na try na yan. Tapos ito naman, yung vocal. Pang girls. At ito yung ginagamit ng girls kapag sila ay pumipitas ng mga produce sa bukid. And dito, di ka, maganda to eh, oh. Meron ditong area na pocket area. Tapos sa ibabaw, yan, pwede ka magmuni-muni. And labas tayo. Tingnan natin yung, sorry ko muna to. Dito ka lumabas, Papa. No, kabila. Yan. Maganda rin ang mga halaman dito. Ito, Papa, oh. Magandang halaman, fresh. And ito yung papuntang swimming pool. Yan. So, very early in the morning, swimming yung mga kids. Hi! Morning! Enjoy kayo kahit drizzle. Yan, that's our room. Ito may terrace. Villa de Babat has 7 rooms according to Sir Emil. And ito, may place na pwede ka pa mag-swing. Yan. Woo! One of my favorite pastimes. Alam nyo, maganda dito sa Villa de Babat. Why? Because very accessible siya sa airport. Andiyan na sa kabilang side ng airport. And yung town, syempre, ng Batanes. And of course, yung place mismo, very homey. Parang hindi ka nasa hotel or nasa inn. Para ka lang nasa isang bahay. Tapos, personal lang kanilang service. Kasi, mismong mga may-ari ang nandito. Sina Sir Emil, si Ma'am Evelyn, at yung kapatid niya si Sir Noel. And I think meron pa silang kapatid na nasa Canada. At yun ang architect kasi yun yung si Sir. Kaya siya yung nagtayo nitong bahay na to na kinonvert na inn. And I highly recommend when you go to Basco, Batanes, dito po kayo magstay sa Villa de Babat. Very convenient. And accommodation, maganda ang room, malaki, malinis, may swimming pool, and tahimik kahit nasa tabi kami ng airport, hindi kami bothered na mga tunog ng eroplano. And of course, yung personal service ng Villa de Babat na napaka-homey talaga. And practical. Kasi meron isa dito na very upscale na accommodation. Ito, fraction of the price. Kumbaga, very practical. Sa aming tatlo, ni Jacob tsaka ni Eugene, for 4-night stay. Tama ba? 4-night stay. Oo, 4-night stay. Less than 15,000 pesos. So, mura na po yun with free breakfast. And masaya. Masaya dito kasi parating may bata. Parang family-oriented to.